In this video, you'll learn how to reset a WordPress website. By following these steps, you will successfully remove all content while keeping the site and its URL intact. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once the page loads, locate the section labeled Sites on the main dashboard. This area will display all the websites associated with your account. If you are not signed in, you may be prompted to enter your credentials. Ensure you have your login details ready. Next, click on the specific site you wish to reset. This will take you to a summary page dedicated to that site. You can easily recognize this page by the site name displayed prominently at the top, along with various management options. After that, look for the option labeled Settings in the sidebar. Click on this option to access the settings for your selected site. You will notice different categories for configuration, including general settings and site management tools. Once in the settings area, scroll down until you find the section titled Reset Site. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. A confirmation message will appear warning you that all site content will be removed, but the site and URL. Now, you will see a message informing you that resetting the site will erase all content, including any modifications made to the theme. This step is crucial as it clarifies the implications of the reset. It is advisable to back up any important data before proceeding. Following this, a prompt will display the content that will be removed as part of the reset. Take a moment to review this list. Understanding what will be deleted is essential to prevent accidental loss of valuable information. Next, you will be required to confirm your action by typing the site domain. This step is a security measure to ensure that the reset is intentional. Make sure you enter the exact domain name accurately. After typing the domain, click on the confirmation button labeled T via the site domain to confirmation. This action will trigger the final confirmation message, ensuring you are ready to proceed with the reset. Finally, click on the Reset Site button to complete the process. Upon clicking, a loading indicator may appear as the system processes your request. Once the reset is complete, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the site has been successfully reset. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.